Hey everyone, from today we will start new topic that is forms of verb. This is the first class of the topic, so let's start. Number 1 is accept. Its meaning is kabul karna. The second form of accept is accepted and the third form is also accepted. Number 2, abuse. Its meaning is badsaluki. Its second form is abused and its third form is also abused. Number 3 is act, अमल करना, acted, acted. Number 4 is add. Its meaning is जमा करना. Its second form is added and third form is also added. Number 5 is absorb, जज्ब करना, absorbed, absorbed. Number 6 is abide, पाबंद करना. Its second form is abode and third form is also abode. Number 7 is advise, meaning is मशवरा देना. Second form is advised. Third form is also advised. Number 8 is allow, इजाज़त देना. Allowed, allowed. Number 9 is abate. Its meaning is कम करना. Abated. Third form is abated. Number 10, abash, शर्माना, abashed, abashed. Admire, तारीफ करना, admired, admired. Number 12, answer, जवाब देना, answered, answered. Number 13 is appear, जाहिर होना, appeared, appeared. Fourteen is act, dard, act, act. Acquire, हासिल करना, acquired, acquired. Activate, चलाना, activated, activated. Number 17 is actuate, उकसाना, actuated, actuated. Number 18, address, pata, addressed, addressed. Number 19 is adjust, ठीक करना, adjusted, adjusted. Number 20 is admire, तारीफ करना, admired, admired. Hope you like the video.